Welcome everybody to Sound Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm talking to you about Dom Kennedy's My Type of Party, produced by DJ Dahi off the Yellow album that came out in 2012. The preset is in Atmosphere. It is in the synth mono bank, and it is called Granular Flute Solo. And that was the main preset to Dom Kennedy's My Type of Party. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any requests or questions, leave a comment in the video. Check out our social media for any Sound Searching news. This has been Sound Searching, and I'm out.